Onto this assignment, I'll be replacing brake pads and rotors. Due to the fact the rotors are worn out, as you can see right here, and the pads are at 0 millimeters. It's basically having metal to metal contact. As you can see right there, brake pads are metal to metal. And these causes to have a grinding noise due to the fact it's touching metal to metal. Whenever applying the brake, it has the grinding, like the noise, the grinding noise. It starts up to a low noise where it comes from when braking, squeaking, and then to a grinding. As you can see right there, the grinding noise. On the pads, as you can see,